Today, I have something very special to share with you. You know those days when everything seems to be finally falling into place, but deep down, there's still that restlessness? Well, your guardian angel has a message for you. Recently, you've taken a break from battles, focused more on yourself, and found a certain peace, haven't you? But I know, and your angel knows too, that there's still that little bit of stress lingering around. Today, you're going to discover how to turn this temporary peace into something lasting. Stay with me until the end and watch this message from your angel change your life. Recently, you have experienced a deep, transformative change. It wasn't something fleeting or superficial, but a true internal revolution that made you let go of the need to control everything and everyone around you. This change has brought a clarity that once seemed far away. Now, instead of desperately chasing your goals, you're beginning to understand that what is truly yours will come to you naturally, without effort or constant pressure. This new approach you've adopted isn't just powerful, it's liberating. You realize that by relentlessly pursuing your desires, you are exhausting yourself. Anxiety, stress, and frustration were your constant companions on this never-ending journey. It didn't matter if it was for professional success, financial stability, or even love, the result was always the same: exhaustion and the feeling of always falling short of your expectations. But all of that is in the past. Now you've decided to take a step back, take a deep breath, and step out of this vicious cycle of pursuit. You're choosing to live more lightly, more peacefully, where what truly matters is what you attract, not what you chase. And this choice is making you more selective. Dishonest people who once were part of your life no longer have a place. You are letting go of what does not add value to you, surrounding yourself with people and situations that truly align with the new energy you're emanating. You are standing firm in who you are, accepting what life offers with gratitude, with an open heart, but also with the certainty that you deserve only what is true and positive. This change is guiding you down a path where every decision you make, every choice you take, is driven by this new awareness. And this awareness is changing your life from the inside out, attracting everything that truly makes sense for you. Now, you are in attraction mode. You no longer need to fight, struggle, or wear yourself out. The life you've always dreamed of, honest, prosperous, abundant, is manifesting right before your eyes. And this is not by chance. It's a direct reflection of this internal transformation you've experienced. A beautiful and true life is unfolding around you, all because you chose to trust the process, let go of control, and embrace what the universe has to offer you. Life sometimes surprises us in ways we never imagined, bringing people and experiences that change everything around us. And without you even realizing it, something wonderful is about to happen to you. Believe me, it's something that will touch your heart in a way you never thought possible. Soon, a special person will start to come closer to you, and the feeling they will bring will be something that warms your soul. It's not that kind of fleeting interest or an obsession that causes discomfort. Not at all. The energy of this person is soft, calm, and full of sincere intentions. They will make you feel valued, admired, and deeply respected. It's that good feeling of realizing that someone genuinely likes you, without forcing anything, without exaggerations. And the most incredible part is that this connection will grow naturally. There will be no rush, no anxiety. The two of you will build something beautiful, based on genuine reciprocity. This person will truly care about you, wanting to know how you are, what you think, what you feel. And this concern will be so sincere that you will feel heard, seen, and understood like never before. This presence in your life will bring an indescribable peace. It's that tranquility that arrives slowly, filling your heart with authentic happiness. It's not just the joy of being with someone, but the certainty that this person makes you feel good, inspires you to be better, to go beyond. They will motivate you to grow, to believe more in yourself, and to see life with new eyes. Because when you feel truly loved, everything around you seems to gain a new shine. And it's not just about feeling good, but feeling complete, fulfilled. It's the kind of happiness that comes from within, making you believe that you deserve all the good that is happening. This person will come into your life in such a sincere and lasting way that you'll wonder how you managed to live so long without this feeling of completeness. It is a gift that the universe is preparing for you, something that will transform your life in a special and unique way. It's amazing how life can change when you decide to invest in yourself without needing shortcuts or forced attempts at control. It's as if suddenly, The weight of carrying the world on your shoulders disappears, giving way to a lightness that only those who truly know and love themselves can experience. It's not easy, of course. It takes time and requires an extra dose of patience, but the results are undeniably rewarding. The most fascinating thing is that by stopping trying to force things, you begin to naturally attract what is truly good for you. When you free yourself from the pressure of trying to be someone you're not or shaping yourself to please others, something incredible happens. People start to notice your true essence. And this authenticity that comes from self-knowledge and acceptance, is what enchants the most. This person who once seemed distant or unattainable, starts to see you differently, almost as if a curtain had been lifted, revealing something they hadn't noticed before. This doesn't happen because you did something extraordinary or followed a magic formula. The truth is much simpler. You just chose to be yourself, embracing both your qualities and your imperfections. And it was this honesty with yourself that reflected outwardly, creating a genuine connection without needing manipulations or games. And there is nothing more beautiful than that, right? Because deep down, what we all seek is to be accepted for who we truly are, without masks, without tricks. When you reach this level of inner peace, of self-love, it's almost as if you become a magnet for the good things in life. Not because you're trying to attract them, but simply because you have become the kind of person who deserves those things. This transformation, this new way of being, is what makes people genuinely drawn to you. They feel your energy, your confidence, and that is irresistible. They start to realize that you are not just someone they want to be around, but someone they really need in their lives. And all this happened because instead of focusing on trying to control others, you chose to take care of yourself, your own needs, and your own happiness. When you start vibrating in this pure and genuine energy of peace, something truly transformative begins to happen. The person around you, the one with whom you share this vibration, starts to feel something different, something they may have never experienced before. It's as if a new perception has settled within them, a deep feeling that makes them intensely want to be by your side. It's not just a momentary desire, it's a growing need, a sincere desire to connect with you, to make the relationship between you flourish and strengthen. They feel that they need to be close, that it is essential for them to be in your company, and this motivates them to get closer, to want to be more involved in your life, and to build something meaningful for both. At the same time, you also begin to feel changes within yourself. This energy exchange that occurs between you makes you feel stronger, more secure in who you are and what you want. Your self-esteem begins to rise, and you realize you are in a different place, higher, more fulfilled. The happiness that arises within you is palpable, a happiness that transcends the ordinary and makes you feel as if you have found a new way of living, a more fulfilled life, more aligned with who you truly are. It's as if you were connecting with something divine, a power so powerful that it begins to transform everything around you. This positive and elevated energy you emit doesn't go unnoticed. On the contrary, it starts to attract that person's attention more intensely. They feel this change, this elevation of spirit, and this makes them want to get even closer to you, in ways they might not have felt comfortable with before or hadn't considered. You notice that they begin to communicate more, to show a genuine interest in being around, in exchanging messages, in meeting up. It's as if your inner transformation is awakening in them a new desire to relate to you more closely, more intentionally, with more desire to truly be together, to build something that makes sense, that is true and valuable for both. When this person enters your life, you may feel something inexplicable, as if you are magnetized by an invisible force, an energy that seems to irresistibly attract you. The main point here is that you will know this is the right person because you will also feel something very intense about them. You may wonder how to identify this special person, and the answer is simple: you will also feel deeply attracted to them, right? It's a connection so strong that you will realize you are facing something unique and extraordinary. This attraction will be mutual and unmistakable, and both will feel something they have never experienced before. And the most beautiful thing is that this person will also feel an internal change, something that will completely transform their energy and the way they see the world. They will realize that something has profoundly changed within them, and this change will motivate them to want to be closer to you, to want to build something meaningful by your side. They will want to get to know you better, plan dates, explore new places together, and spend quality time with you. The energy that arises between you is so powerful and special that it will inspire thoughts, reflections, and a sincere desire to be more and more present in each other's lives. It's a connection that transcends the ordinary, something that meets your deepest and truest feelings. This person will want to make things work with you, and the simple fact that you live your life authentically and genuinely will be what drives them forward. They will want to say important things, express their feelings, and start thinking about you in a way they never thought about anyone before. This connection is so beautiful and true that you will realize this is the right person to share your journey, someone who will want to be by your side in every moment, building a future together. The feeling will be so strong and overwhelming that you will realize this person is determined to make things work, to move forward with you, to live a full and meaningful life by your side. They will want to share moments, dreams, and experiences, and each new step you take together will only strengthen this special bond even more. Everything will seem to fit perfectly, as if the universe conspired to bring you together in a magical and undeniable way. This person will make you feel that true love is real and that every effort is worth keeping it alive and blooming. When you find yourself in a situation where someone you've spoken to and connected with suddenly seems to have cooled off or distanced themselves, it's natural to feel a whirlwind of emotions. Insecurity hits, fear of having done something wrong, or even frustration of seeing someone withdraw without any apparent reason. You may have become attached to this person, nurtured feelings, but didn't see that reciprocated. So, what to do? The answer is not to chase them, to desperately seek their attention, but to change the way you present yourself to the world, how you view this situation. When you change your energy, something different begins to happen. It's as if suddenly, that person feels they need to reconnect with you. They realize, almost unconsciously, that they can't just let this situation go. An almost compulsive desire to be present begins to arise in them. This becomes even more evident if that person is physically close to you. Signs begin to appear. They look at you longer, with a sparkle in their eyes that wasn't there before. The smiles become warmer, and even the most trivial conversations become more frequent. They may suddenly show up in places where you are, as if it were a coincidence. But you know it's not. They want to make sure you see them, that you know they are still there, somehow present. If physical proximity is not an option, social media comes into play. You notice that this person starts liking your posts, interacting more online. Sometimes, they even create a new account just to follow you, to keep up with what's happening in your life. And why does this happen? Fear. Fear of losing you, of seeing you move on with someone else, build a life that doesn't include them. That thought is unbearable for them. They begin to visualize a future where you are with another person, and it torments them. The idea that someone else could take the place they want in your life is something they cannot accept. That is what drives them to act, to get closer, to try in every possible way to reconnect with you. They feel they need to take action, that they can't just let you go. This attraction they feel for you goes beyond something superficial. It's not just a matter of appearance or the conversations you have. There is a deeper connection that forms when they see you, whether in the real world or in any online interaction. There is something in you that awakens an intense feeling in them, something that manifests in a special way, especially when you wear a piece of clothing that catches their eye. It could be anything, a t-shirt, a hoodie, a dress. It doesn't matter what it is. There's always a detail in what you wear that makes them see you in a unique way. Maybe it's a symbol, a phrase, or even a specific color that resonates with them in a special way. This detail in your appearance ignites a warm feeling in them, an impression that you are someone truly special, almost like the prize they've always dreamed of finding, even without knowing they were looking for it. But it's much more than just that. It's not about seeing you as a trophy to show off to the world. Their feeling goes far beyond that. When they are with you, they feel that life takes on a new meaning, as if you were the missing piece to complete the puzzle of their happiness. This feeling of completeness and joy makes them want to be by your side, to take care of you, to value you deeply. It's as if they've found something extraordinary in you, a connection that makes their heart beat faster, and they are sure there is something magical between you. Your presence brings a powerful energy that draws them in and makes them always want to be near, constantly seeking more of this connection you share. This bond you share is full of romance, affection, and a tenderness that is simply beautiful. It is possible that they want to express these feelings in a gentle way, maybe by giving you flowers. Flowers have a deep meaning. They represent the blooming of something new and beautiful. Even if you are a man, receiving flowers from them would be a gesture of affection and appreciation, something that goes beyond social conventions and shows that your relationship is growing stronger and becoming even more special. Perhaps they have a particular interest in flowers, or maybe the flowers symbolize how much your relationship is blossoming. They may even be somewhat off your radar now, but as this connection develops, you will see how everything fits together perfectly. It's like the pieces of the puzzle finally find their place, and you find yourself surprised by how naturally everything happened. In the end, this person will come closer to you, bringing a sense of peace and comfort. And the best part, you won't have to chase after it. This special connection will establish itself naturally, organically, bringing a deep sense of satisfaction and joy to both of you. They truly feel something very strong for you, and the energy between you is intensifying with every moment. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what choice you make. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings it holds for you, leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.